GRT's massive breakout is just getting started, and this is all playing out after we managed to break above resistance at the 0.1882, flipping that key area of resistance back into support in a move that has also given us a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the 0.2118. And on today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the charts, and also give you my breakout target areas. And for those of you that might be interested in taking some trades, you can check out Bybit, which is giving you $20 in sign-up bonuses, and you can also earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. So make sure that you check out the link down in the description box. And getting back to the charts, since the 25th of July, when we saw a bit of a breakdown move giving us a low below the 0.1829, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.2046, in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. And once we have a low in place in this Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then an Elliot wave count 5. And to just show you that the second wave down here has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, I get a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.1937 and the 0.1911, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of this target area in a move that is giving us a very nice bounce to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2261. Then we can expect a pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. And for us to see higher prices in that Elliot wave count 3, there are significant key areas of resistances and highs that we need to see a break above. And the significant high we need to see a break above is the high for this Elliot wave count 1, which perfectly lies above the 0.2049. So in the next coming hours, we need to see a break above that significant high, maybe with a retest. And once that plays out, then I will be expecting even higher prices to the 0.2118, and a break above that with another successful retest. Then we can easily fully maximize our minimum target areas in this Elliot wave count 3 back above the 0.2265. So those are the significant key areas that we need to pay attention to. And in case of any sudden pullbacks over here, then we need to continue holding above support at the 0.1882. As long as that continues to hold, I will still expect higher prices in that Elliot wave count 3. And zooming out to also give you an Elliot wave structure that is playing out on the long term, which I've been tracking since the 8th of July. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count in white, where we first peaked in an Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now given us a low within this red target area over here. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in that Elliot wave count 2. And in the next coming days, we can continue to see even more aggressive prices in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given once again by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.2768. So that is another target area that we need to have in mind. And because of the impulsive nature in that Elliot wave count 3 in white, that's why you can see that I'm tracking these micro Elliot wave count within that larger Elliot wave count 3, expecting this Elliot wave count 5 to give us the highs for these higher Elliot wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm watching out for. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.